I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing another video from my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time I'm showing you my Glam Fall home office reveal. I hope you enjoy.
In my head won't go away. I'm climbing up a mountain, trying my best not to fall. But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles.
So guys, here is my home office. Now I've shared this room with you many times. I've decorated it in many different styles. Now you may recognise that I've actually put my home office back in its original spot. A few months ago I shared this room where I took everything out and I placed a bed in this room. Now I actually wasn't happy in the room that I made my home office, guys. I found there was too much noise and too much distraction, especially when I do voiceovers. So I was really excited to redecorate this room, and I really love how it came, especially decorating it for fall. So guys, here in Australia, would you believe we've just gone into spring? Now we've had some beautiful spring days in the last couple of days. However, it is going to snow this weekend. Can you believe it? In the area that I live, it's going to turn nasty again. So this is how I play along with the rest of the world, where I decorate from my fall right through to Halloween.
Going around in circles. It's going around in circles. It's going around in circles. Circles. It's going around in circles.
Now guys, my home office is definitely very glam. It's one of my glamorous rooms in my whole house. But I absolutely love this baby blue colour, and I love the silver wallpaper. Now I do get a lot of questions about this wallpaper, guys. I did get it quite a few years ago from a hardware store that closed down here in Australia. However, if you go on Google and just type in damask wallpaper, you'll find very, very similar styles. So guys, on my round coffee table, I decided to do a little pumpkin patch. Now, I've collected just what I can here in Australia when it comes to pumpkins. They are very scarce. If it wasn't for TK Maxx, I wouldn't have a pumpkin collection at all. I have picked up a few from dollar stores as well as Target.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it?
Now on my back wall, I've chose to add my mirrored dresser. Now this is from a company called Shine Mirrors here in Australia. It was my first high-end piece I ever purchased for myself, guys. I saved like crazy for this thing and I absolutely love it. It is in the perfect spot in my home office. I truly love it in here. I've had it in many areas of my home, but I really feel like it belongs in here. Now on top of my dresser, I've chosen these beautiful sparkly glam pumpkins that my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted to me. My beautiful friend, guys, not only gifted me these pumpkins, she also gifted me the beautiful pumpkin cushion that's on my couch. And I treasure these gifts so much, guys. If you're not following Betsy Ann already, please go do so. She is the sweetest, kindest soul. And every time I look at these gifts, it always reminds me of what a special friend she truly is.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Now guys, I chose to change out my desk and use this mirrored dresser. I find this so much more practical, guys, and I don't end up with too much decor all over my desk. And I recently wanted to share with you this beautiful mug that I picked up from an Etsy store. I'll leave it linked for you down below, but guys, she has the most amazing mugs and I truly love this one so much.
I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm
Now guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves decorating. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and room tours. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side. Knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my Glam Fall home office tour.
up now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.